Now we are going to see how to add several triggers in a workflow. Let's create a workflow for after a booking with 3 automations. Send a confirmation email, send 2 reminder emails, and send a cancellation email. Let's start. In the side menu, click on Configuration Center. Go to the Flows option. Select After Booking Workflow. To create the workflow, click on New. First, type the alias to identify the workflow. Click on Add. Next, we must edit the workflow to add the automations. We add the first trigger, which will be when a booking has been made. And we add the action, which is to send a confirmation email. Choose the confirmation template you want to send. Select the email account from where it will be sent. You can also add the ICS file. And click on Add. Now, add the second trigger. It will be the one that will happen before the booking starts. The action of this trigger will be to send a reminder email. We want to send the reminder 1 day before booking. Select the corresponding reminder template. Choose the email account. And click on Add. You can add a second action to the trigger. It will also be to send another reminder email. But now, we want to send the reminder 1 hour before booking. Select the corresponding reminder template for this occasion. Choose the email account from where it will be sent, and click on Add. Then, add the third trigger. It will be what happens when a booking is cancelled. The action of this trigger will be to send a cancellation email. Choose the cancellation template you want to send. Then choose the email account from where it will be sent, and click on Add. The workflow with the 3 triggers is now created. Send the confirmation, the cancellation, and 2 reminder emails. To update the workflow, click on Save. When you return to the workflows, the one you have created will be displayed, but without assigned events. Click on Assign Events. Select the events you want to use in the workflow. From this time, the workflow will be operative for the assigned events. Now, you know how to create a workflow with multiple triggers and how to assign the events. Note that it is always necessary to assign the events for the workflow to be operational.